Can everyone write this down? This is a typical paper 2 question in O level. I say typical, I never say sure come out. But if it does come out, most of the time it is 6 marks and above. Meaning, this question itself is 1 grade. 1 grade means if you are a B3 student, you become A2. If you are A2 student, you become A1. 1 grade also means if you're A1 student, you can drop to A2. You can drop to B3. Understand? 1 grade. Let's start. Now, application. Application means you apply this in real world. But bluff, you never will apply this in real world. Real world got do this or not? No, yeah, no. But the next few questions maybe got. Okay, let's try. In primary school, if I give you this question, can everyone highlight the word consecutive? Consecutive means what? One after another. You want to write example? 1, 2, what else? 10, 11, what else? 100, 101, 58, 59. So consecutive, okay? Now, the product. Product means what? Times. Even number means what? 2, 4, 6. Can you follow? Now, can you write an example here? If my first number is 2, what is the next number? 4. If the number is 12, don't want. Erase. If the number is 58, what's the next number? 70. If the number is x, what is the next number? See? No one should drop. This is Emacs, I cannot drop. X plus 2, right? Can you fill in the first blank? Let the smaller number be what? Right. The next number will be what? Very good. Now, in fact, this is always the step number 1. Step number 1 is always, I want to list out the variable. And what's the variable? Usually, I will follow closely to what they want. If they want number, that means I let the number be x. If they want the height of Mr. Low, I'll let the height be x. If age, I'll let the age be x. Is it clear? Okay, next. What's the step number 2? Step number 2 is I try to form equation. This is again very important. Now, how do I form equation? Usually, somewhere the question will tell you, Gerald, try. How do I form the equation? I give you the hint, it's on the first line. Try. Product means what? Very good. Something times something equal what? Very good. Try to do it. Simple or not? What is that something and something? Very good. Easy or not? In primary school, it's called guess and check. In secondary school, it's called algebra. Can? Cannot. I bluff you once. Don't. Guess and check take very long. Take very long. Don't. Okay. Why? Because the number can be decimal one. You guess and check, you probably will die before you get a number. Okay, can you complete the question? Easy or not? Can I don't do the question? Okay. Now, x equals to what? Can you mode 3 help me? Come again? 22 or negative 24. Anyone need me to fill in the steps in between? No, good. Now look at this. Tendency, can you write that down? Can you just write this down? Tendency, you want to hashtag, but you cannot hashtag here because one number is rejected. Jinyang, which one? Why? Because? Why negative must reject? No. Not because when you fit in got something wrong. Why? No. Nothing to do with real world. Why? Can you highlight that word? If this word change to negative, which number do you reject? The positive one. Is it clear? Is it clear, Xing Hui? Not clear. Which one stuck? Step 1 okay? Can. Cannot. Step 1 okay? Can. Step 2 okay? No. Okay, let's do step 2 together. Why step 2 is like that? Xing Hui, it says product. Product means number 1 times number 2. Since this is number 1 times number 2, can you circle the word is? Is English word is is. Mathematical term is equal. I repeat. The word is English word is is. Maths word is equal. So if you read again, multiply 2 number equal 528. Now you understand this? Okay. You must ask, you don't assume everything is like okay. It's not okay, because this is something new. Xing Hui, do you know how this side get this step? Do you know? Do you know why this side get this step? No. Very simple. Because I expand, I know I can rearrange into ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Xing Hui, do you know why this side get this step? Good. Okay, that good. Can or not, Xing Feng? Okay. Now, so Junyang, back to you again. Which one do I reject? Okay, can I write in red because it is super important? Reject. In exam, reject is 1 mark. Just the 3 letter is 1 mark. Okay? Now, can I write in red again? If you write this in exam, no mark. What is the answer? The smaller number is 22. This in exam is 1 mark. Nobody care about x. The question did not care about x. The question asked you, no need. Because teacher assume you know. But you always get negative, you'll be in trouble. Because sometimes the question will ask you 2 negative numbers. Then you reject the wrong one. Oh, because the question says find the numbers. So I'm wrong. It's not the small number. I'm wrong. Ming Yuan corrected me. Can I use green pen and do correction? The 2 numbers are 22 and 24. Can you do a correction? I'm sorry. But good you clarified. Why is it? Because, why not this? Why not this? Because, can you highlight the word positive? Maybe from now on, I will start to write wrong things on the board. So that you question me, and then you learn more. You see, Ming question me, I write wrong, right? Ming question me, now he remember. I cannot just anyhow write. The question says find a number. Then the question will say find a smaller number. Is that good? Can I pause the video now? And now you try question 2 by yourself. 7B. Now, everyone. What's the next question? What is the... What? Oh, what is the number this one? Oh, step 1. Why step 1? Why there? Oh, because I say if this is 2, Xing Hui, what's the next number? For even number, If it's 68? 68? Good. Do you know what 68 is 70 or not? Because I want consecutive even number. Understand? So understand 68 how get 70? It's x. Why is it 24? Because x plus 2. Okay. Any more questions? All understand? I see your eyes sparkle. That means you understand. Okay, good. Now, can you record? Now, listen. So how you multiply is this. Now, the next part you don't know is not because you don't know the concept. It's because you are weak in algebra. So this is just x squared plus Tiffany, like that. Do you understand? Now, remember method number 1, I make everything the same denominator. So this is over 1, this is over 1. So I will group these two into a single fraction. Then I do cross multiply. Is it clear? Method number 1. Remember I split the two things. Method number 2. Find the LCM. LCM of 1, 2, 1 is 2. So this one times 2, I will get 2x squared. This one times 2, I will get, sorry, let me remove I will get this. This one times 2, I will get this. Do you follow? Don't like the LCM method, group everything together, then you will also remove the fraction. Then what do you do next? Expand and arrange into ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And I look at Charlene's answer, may not be correct. When Charlene simplify everything, I have 3x squared plus 80x minus 1100 equals 0. Kunsh, do you get the same answer? Kunsh, it's okay. Do you get the same answer? Rachel say yes. Yes. No. No, I come to you. Yes, you turn over to the next page. Okay? And can I pause the video first?